All right, 20.2, nomenclature, as you expect, right? We've been introduced to a new functional group. We're going to do aldehydes and ketones in this section, by the way. So this should say of aldehydes and ketones, right? So we've been introduced to a new functional group, that's the carbonyl carbon. And so the second section is always nomenclature, and then of course we're going to get into properties, and then we're going to do reactions, right? That's how every chapter is structured. So first of all, nomenclature. Identify and name the parent chain. So for aldehydes, what we're going to do is we're going to, well, identify and name the parent chain, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. And so it's going to be, you're going to see me do this on the board, butane. And then I'm going to get rid of the E and put al on there. All right, so Klein has done that, or whoever made this PowerPoint is going to be doing that simply with the, deleting and pasting in the new, right? But I'm going to do this because it's easy to get sideways, and I'm going to get in trouble if I don't. So look at this now. Be sure that the parent chain includes the carbonyl carbon. So if you've got a carbonyl carbon in there, it is in the parent chain, right? So watch this. If this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So this is octane. How do you spell octane? Octane, or octane, right? But over here, the 8 doesn't have the carbonyl carbon in it, right? There's my 8, and it's not in it. So it must be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hexane. Hexanal, because it's an aldehyde. All right. Now, numbering the carbonyl group of the aldehyde takes priorities over other groups. So this was a high priority group before, right? But now it's going to be the aldehyde because it's more oxidized, really. All right, so, or because that's what the rule is. All right, that's fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 instead of 1, 2, 3, right? There's the lower number for the hydroxy. It's 5 over here and 7 over here, or it's 1 and 5. Numbering the carbonyl group of the aldehyde takes priority. All right, so let's do this as an example. Identify and name the parent chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Heptane. Heptanal. So I've now taken care of all of that, right? I got more to do here. Okay, let's name that alkene at number 4, so it's going to be 4 heptene al, and I'm going to have to name if it's Z or E. I can see that it's E, so it's E 4 heptene al. Looks like I've got a 3 propyl. 3 propyl, that's taken care of. This is all taken care of. Now I've got a 7 hydroxy. 7 hydroxy. Okay, now let's do this alphabetically. The H comes before P, so it's 7 hydroxy, taking care of that. 3 propyl, taking care of that. E goes out in front. E 4 heptene al. Wow, take that to the family reunion. They will be impressed with you. And look, we just did it systematically. That's all we did. We just went through step by step. Identify the name of the substituents, which I did. Assign locants to each one, which I did. Assemble the name alphabetically, which I did. I probably should have been referring back to those rules as we were going along. All right, so what about ketones? Identifying and name the parent chain. Butane. Butanone, all right, there's my, okay. The locant can be expressed before the parent name or before the suffix. Either is fine. 3-heptanone or heptan 3-one. And I think like one of these is 1972 rules and one team's 1993 rules, I think. Maybe 2006, I don't remember. Doesn't matter. They're both okay. So identify and name the parent chain. Let's do this one now. Identify and name the parent chain. Matter of fact, I'm going to let you do it without me. I'm going to let you do that one without me. And I don't remember if there's another slide here after this one. Let's look. Nope, that's it. All right, best wishes. Get some practice on this. Do Skill Builder 20.1.